Welcome to Best Choice. The best barbecue utensils is probably one of the most essential investments any grilling enthusiast can make, transforming your backyard cookouts from a chore into a culinary adventure, ensuring every sear, flip, and serve is executed with precision and style, making your outdoor cooking experience truly unforgettable. Number 5. Cuisinart Deluxe 20-piece Grill Tool Set. Introducing the Cuisinart Deluxe 20-piece Grill Tool Set. Everything you need for a perfect barbecue experience is right here. This comprehensive set includes a chef spatula, grill tongs, a digital temperature fork, basting brush, skewers, corn holders, and a cleaning brush with an extra head. The spatula features a serrated edge and bottle opener, while the durable tongs offer precise control. It's designed for effortless flipping, grabbing, and serving. Looking for a gift? This set is ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas, making it a fantastic present for any man who loves to grill. Keep all your tools organized and protected with the sturdy, stylish, and compact aluminum carrying case. It's perfect for easy transport and storage. The included grill brush with an extra head makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, the digital temperature fork with an alarm ensures your food is always cooked to perfection. What we like. This comprehensive set offers a wide variety of tools for any grilling task. It includes a digital temperature fork for perfect cooking and comes in a durable aluminum case for easy storage and transport. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with advanced temperature monitoring, this is the set for you. What people say. The tongs have a good grip and are long enough to keep your hands away from the heat. The spatula is sturdy and has a sharp edge for scraping the grill clean. The set includes a variety of useful tools, such as a fork, basting brush, and skewers. Number 4. Alpha Grillers Barbecue Grill Set. Introducing the Alpha Grillers Barbecue Grill Set, your complete companion for all your grilling needs. This essential set is perfect for gas, charcoal, electric, and smoker grills. Crafted from extra thick, heavy-duty stainless steel, this set is designed for durability. It includes a spatula with a bottle opener and serrated edge, a sharp fork, lockable tongs, and a silicone basting brush. Whether you're grilling in the backyard, camping, or tailgating, this versatile set has you covered. It's the must-have barbecue accessory for every cook. Enjoy comfort and control with ergonomic handles and scalloped grips. These tools are built to handle everything from burgers to brisket, year after year. Looking for the perfect Father's Day gift? This premium set makes an ideal present for dads, husbands, men, grandpas, or boyfriends who love to grill. Not only are these tools incredibly durable, but they are also dishwasher safe. They double as fantastic grilling gadgets and kitchen gadgets for men. What we like. This set focuses on the most crucial grilling tools, all crafted from extra thick stainless steel for ultimate durability. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort and control during use. If you prioritize robust, long-lasting essentials and a comfortable grip for serious grilling, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it a long-lasting investment for any grilling enthusiast. Each utensil is ergonomically designed with comfortable, non-slip handles, providing a secure grip even when hands are greasy. The set includes a comprehensive range of tools, such as a spatula, tongs, fork, and basting brush, covering all essential grilling needs. Number 3. Anpro 21 PCS Stainless Steel Grilling Accessories Kit. Introducing the Anpro 21-piece Grilling Accessory Kit. Everything you need for a perfect barbecue experience, all in one place. Crafted from extra thick, solid stainless steel, these tools are built to withstand the heat. Say goodbye to bending, breaking, or rusting. This comprehensive set includes a spatula, fork, tongs, knife, basting brush, grill brush, corn holders, and skewers. Everything is neatly organized in a compact storage bag. Experience the perfect heft and ergonomic design of each tool. The long handles provide excellent control for skewering, flipping, and serving your favorite grilled dishes. Perfect for all types of grills, these accessories ensure your meals are always juicy and tender. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Looking for a great Father's Day or camping gift? This premium grilling set is sure to impress any barbecue lover. What we like. With 21 practical pieces, this kit provides everything you need for any grilling adventure, made from exceptionally thick stainless steel to prevent bending or rusting. It also includes a convenient compact storage bag. If you want a very complete set with superior material strength and easy organization, this is ideal. What people say. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it a long-lasting investment for your grilling needs. Each utensil is designed with ergonomic handles that provide a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. The set includes a variety of essential tools, such as a spatula, tongs, fork, and skewers, offering versatility for different grilling tasks. Number 2. Kaluns 21-piece heavy-duty barbecue tool set. Elevate your barbecue experience with this comprehensive 21-piece grilling set. It includes everything you need for a professional outdoor cooking session, from essential tools to convenient storage. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant stainless steel, these tools are built for durability and longevity. They are heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and designed to be your go-to for years of delicious meals. Keep your grilling essentials organized and protected with the included lightweight aluminum storage case. It's perfect for taking your barbecue on the go, whether you're camping or traveling. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This user-friendly set is ideal for any occasion, including Father's Day, Christmas, or as a housewarming present. It's a luxurious and practical choice for men and women who love to grill. We are dedicated to ensuring your complete satisfaction with our grilling set. If you have any concerns, please reach out to us. Your happiness is our top priority. What we like. This extensive 21-piece set not only includes all the essential grilling tools but also comes with a handy apron featuring pockets for tool storage. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, it ensures durability. If you appreciate a complete package that includes practical accessories like an apron and values long-lasting quality, this set is a great pick. What people say. The tongs have a good grip and are sturdy. The spatula is wide and strong, perfect for flipping burgers. The skewers are sharp and hold food securely. Number 1. ROMANTICIST 4PCS Heavy-Duty Grill Accessory Set. Introducing the ROMANTICIST 4-piece heavy-duty grill accessory set, designed for aspiring grill masters. This professional set includes all the essential tools for your backyard restaurant or outdoor kitchen. Crafted from premium steel, each utensil is built to last, offering exceptional performance and resistance to heat and moisture. The extra-thick blades ensure remarkable durability for all your grilling tasks. This versatile set tackles any grilling job with ease. The 3-in-1 spatula features a serrated edge and bottle opener, while the tongs have a locking tab for easy storage. The heat-resistant basting brush and sturdy fork complete the collection. Experience ultimate control and comfort with ergonomically designed rubber and steel handles. Their solid quality and balanced weight make grilling feel effortless, allowing you to handle any job like a pro. Looking for a quality gift? Surprise someone special with this superior barbecue accessory set. It's the ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion to make your gift truly memorable. What we like. This set offers a curated selection of 4 professional-grade tools, distinguished by their extra-thick blades for remarkable durability and performance. The heat-resistant handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. If you are a grill master seeking top-tier, robust tools for demanding tasks and appreciate professional craftsmanship, this set is designed for you. What people say. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it a long-lasting investment for any grilling enthusiast. Each utensil is ergonomically designed with comfortable, non-slip handles, providing a secure grip even when hands are greasy. The set includes a variety of essential tools, such as a spatula, tongs, fork, and basting brush, covering all your grilling needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.